Hello, welcome to my channel. Due to numerous requests from my subscribers as well as my followers, I decided to expand the learning territory in 3 core areas. I have 1, Introduction to Excel, I have Data Intro and Basic Functions, and I also have Data Analysis Toolkit. Starting out with Introduction to Excel, we'll kick off with Excel interface and its environment, making sure that you actually understand what you're looking at when you open a spreadsheet. Then we would progress. We'll get into keyboard shortcuts, not just the common ones like Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, which is used for the copy and the paste. We'll go deep into alternate key shortcuts that most professionals have never heard of before, which is going to save you a lot of hours of work. We'll also cover everyday operations like moving files, copying files, hiding, unhiding, freezing, and how to allow your column headers to stay visible, which is something most people have never used but absolutely should know. And then we would also tackle cell referencing, absolute referencing, mixed referencing, and structured referencing. Moving on to the next point, which is data entry and basic operation. In this module, we'll learn how to clean your data properly. We'll talk about removing blanks values, trimming extra spaces, as well as using text functions like uppercase, lower, proper, left, right, search, concatenate, and we'll also be looking at unique values and how to remove duplicate values. If you have ever received a data set from a colleague or a system expert and thought, oh, this is a complete mess, this section is actually going to be your superpower. Then we will get into the basic functions. We would look at the ones you need every day at work, like your sum functions, your average functions. We don't just want to show you what these functions do. I'm going to show you when to use them and why. This is where things actually get really interesting, and I'm excited. We'll also be looking at the core data analysis toolkit, conditional formatting, and data validation. These 2 tools that will make your spreadsheet not only look professional but actually guide people on how to enter the right data. I'll also show you how to combine them for powerful analysis. We will cover topics on sum function, average function, count functions, count A, minimum, maximum, and subtotal. And then we'll also level up your knowledge for the if function, the nested if error, ifs, and the or formulas. These are the logical formulas that let your spreadsheet make decisions automatically. From there, we'll get into the sum ifs, count ifs, average ifs, which is perfect when you need to analyze data based on multiple conditions. VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, index match is also a powerful combination for senior data analyst roles that we'll also be looking at. We'll still come to that. And we'll now wrap things up with our pivot tables, our charts, which is one of the most valuable tools in Excel. We'll cover how to enable and disable field headings, guidelines, reports, layouts, so your reports look clean and presentable to stakeholders or the CEO. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, this channel is built specifically for people who work with data every day and need Excel to actually work for them, not against them. So whether you're in finance, operations, HR, sales, or any field that uses data, this channel should be your go-to-go whenever you stumbled on any problems relating to Excel.